HP Docks Overview. With HP Docks, you can connect your laptop to your displays and access power, accessories, and other advanced functionalities through one single cable for increased comfort and productivity. HP Docks have ports for all your needs. The available ports include USB-C, Thunderbolt, USB, DisplayPort, HDMI, VGA, RJ45, and more. Work anywhere with docks designed for quick setup or portability. Use USB-C or Thunderbolt connections for quick video, data, and power transfer. Anyone that uses a computer for work, learning, or play can use a dock. Choose the dock most suited for your computing experience based on your workflow and your workspace. A desk dock is a solution for your desk or home office that offers support for 4K resolution, universality, and power delivery. A travel dock is a compact device that allows for pass-through charging, network manageability, and expanded ports wherever you go. A display dock is a monitor solution that's perfect for multi-monitor environments or small desks.